Ever wondered how a simple turn of your faucet handle delivers the perfect mix of hot and cold water? Let's dive into the fascinating mechanics behind it. To household faucets. Faucets are essential fixtures in every household, providing us with easy access to water. But beyond their basic function, they consist of intricate components that regulate flow and temperature, making them a marvel of everyday engineering. Key components of a typical faucet include handles for controlling flow and temperature, a spout for directing water, cartridges or valve stems for regulating flow, aerators to shape the water stream, supply lines connecting to water sources. Inside a faucet, the valve mechanism plays a critical role. It controls water flow and temperature by opening or closing pathways. This is where hot and cold water mix, allowing for precise adjustments with each handle turn. Common types of faucet valves include ball valves, often in single-handle faucets, cartridge valves in single and double-handle models, compression valves, typically in older designs. Single-handle faucets mix hot and cold water through a valve mechanism, allowing you to control both temperature and flow rate with one motion. Dual-handle faucets use separate valves for hot and cold water, offering precise control. Washers and O-rings are small yet vital components that prevent leaks by sealing connections within the faucet. They ensure a steady, drip-free stream, maintaining the faucet's efficiency over time. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your faucet functioning smoothly. This includes checking washers, O-rings, and cleaning aerators to prevent clogs. A well-maintained faucet ensures consistent water flow and temperature control. Understanding how your faucet works can help you troubleshoot issues and perform basic repairs, saving time and money. Plus, it gives you a deeper appreciation for the engineering behind this everyday tool. If you're finding this useful, a quick like would be amazing. Basic components of a faucet. Faucets may seem simple, but they're made up of several key components that work together to control water flow and temperature. Understanding these parts can help in maintenance and repair. The handle is the user interface of the faucet, allowing you to control water flow and temperature. In single-handle models, it adjusts both simultaneously, while dual-handle systems separate hot and cold controls. Valves are crucial for regulating water flow. They come in types like ball, cartridge, and compression, each with unique mechanisms to mix or separate hot and cold water. Inside the faucet, the cartridge or stem is moved by the handle to open or close the water path, adjusting flow and temperature. This part is essential for smooth operation. The spout is the visible part of the faucet where water exits. Its design can affect water flow and splash, making it an important aesthetic and functional component. Located at the tip of the spout, the aerator mixes air with water, reducing splashing and conserving water. It also helps in maintaining a steady flow. Washers and O-rings are small but vital components that prevent leaks by sealing joints and connections within the faucet. Regular maintenance can prevent drips and save water. Supply lines connect the faucet to your home's plumbing, delivering hot and cold water. They must be flexible and durable to handle water pressure and temperature changes. All these components work in harmony to ensure a smooth and efficient faucet operation. The handle adjusts the valve for water flow and temperature. The valve and cartridge manage the water mix. The spout and aerator control the water's exit. Washers and O-rings prevent leaks. Supply lines feed water to the system. Understanding the valve system. The valve system in a faucet is crucial for regulating water flow and temperature. By turning the handle, you control how much water is released and whether it's hot, cold, or a mix of both. There are three main types of valves used in faucets. Ball valves, commonly found in single-handle faucets. Cartridge valves, used in both single and double-handle faucets. Compression valves, typically found in older models. Ball valves use a rotating ball with a hole through the center. Turning the handle rotates the ball, aligning or misaligning the hole with the water flow path to control the flow and mix of water. Cartridge valves allow for precise control of water flow and temperature. They use a movable cylinder that aligns with openings in the valve body, making them reliable and easy to repair. Compression valves work by compressing a washer against a valve seat to stop water flow. They're common in older faucets and require more maintenance due to potential washer wear. In single-handle faucets, The valve system allows for the mixing of hot and cold water. The handle's position determines the mix, providing the desired temperature with ease. Washers and O-rings are essential for ensuring a watertight seal in faucets. They prevent leaks and help maintain steady water flow, requiring occasional replacement to keep the system efficient. If you're finding this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more detailed explanations. Have you encountered any of these issues? Share your experience in the comments below. How handles control water flow and temperature? Faucet handles are crucial for controlling both water flow and temperature in your home. By turning or adjusting these handles, you interact with the internal mechanics that regulate the mix of hot and cold water, ensuring a comfortable and controlled output. Valves within faucets play a pivotal role. They open or close the water path when you turn the handle. This action allows you to release water and adjust its temperature, making valves essential for precise control over your water usage. Main types of valves in faucets include ball valves, commonly in single-handle faucets, cartridge valves, found in both single and double-handle faucets, compression valves, primarily in older models. Single-handle faucets use a mixing valve to adjust both temperature and flow. When you rotate or lift the handle, it opens the valve, mixing hot and cold water to your desired temperature, providing a seamless experience. In dual-handle faucets, each handle independently controls either hot or cold water. This allows for precise temperature adjustments by regulating the flow from each source, offering a tailored water experience. Washers and O-rings are vital for preventing leaks and ensuring a tight seal within the faucet. These small components help maintain the efficiency of water flow and the longevity of your faucet system. By turning faucet handles, you can adjust the valve's position, directly affecting water pressure. This control is essential for tasks requiring specific flow rates, ensuring efficiency and comfort in everyday use. The combination of internal components like valves, washers, and O-rings ensures a steady stream of water. Proper maintenance of these parts is crucial for consistent performance. If you're finding this useful, a quick like would be amazing. Understanding how faucet handles regulate water flow and temperature helps you better manage your household water systems. Mastering these controls can lead to more efficient water use and a comfortable home environment. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know below. Mixing hot and cold water. The mixing of hot and cold water in a faucet is a fascinating process. When you turn the handle, the internal valve system adjusts to blend the two water streams, providing you with the perfect temperature right from your tap. The valve is crucial in controlling the mix of hot and cold water. As you adjust the handle, the valve opens pathways for both hot and cold water, blending them to your desired temperature. In a single-handle faucet, turning the handle side to side adjusts the temperature by mixing hot and cold water at the valve. This mechanism allows for smooth and precise temperature control. Dual-handle faucets have separate controls for hot and cold water. Each handle adjusts its respective valve, allowing for specific temperature and flow adjustments. This design provides a more traditional approach to water mixing. Cartridge valves are common in both single and dual-handle faucets. They regulate the flow and mix of water, ensuring a consistent temperature by moving up and down or rotating within the faucet. Ball valves, typically found in single-handle faucets, use a rotating ball to control water flow and temperature. The ball has openings that align with the hot and cold water inlets, mixing them as needed. Washers and O-rings play a pivotal role in preventing leaks and maintaining pressure. They ensure that the mixed water flows smoothly without dripping and help sustain the desired temperature. The aerator at the faucet's end ensures a steady stream by breaking the water into small droplets. This not only saves water, but also maintains a consistent flow and temperature mix. If you're finding this useful, a quick like would be amazing. Common issues with mixing include leaky faucets due to worn washers, inconsistent temperature from faulty valves, reduced flow from clogged aerators. Consider regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. The role of washers and O-rings. Washers and O-rings are small but crucial components in a faucet. They help prevent leaks and ensure a smooth operation by sealing gaps and cushioning moving parts. Washers are flat, circular components that create a tight seal between the faucet's moving parts. This prevents water from escaping when the faucet is turned off, ensuring efficient water use. O-rings are circular, rubber seals that fit into grooves. They prevent leaks by sealing the gaps between moving parts, especially in the faucet's spout and handle connections. Different types of washers serve various purposes in faucets. Flat washers provide a basic seal. Beveled washers ensure a tighter fit. Compression washers help regulate water pressure. O-rings are typically made from rubber, silicone, or neoprene. These materials are chosen for their flexibility and durability, ensuring a long-lasting seal even with frequent use. Over time, washers and O-rings can wear out, leading to leaks. Regular inspection and replacement are key to maintaining a leak-free faucet and avoiding water wastage. Common issues with washers and O-rings include leaks from worn-out components, stiff faucet handles due to dried-out O-rings, reduced water flow from improper washer seating. To extend the lifespan of washers and O-rings, ensure regular maintenance and use quality components. A well-maintained faucet not only saves water, but also reduces repair costs. If you're finding this useful, a quick like would be amazing. Washers and O-rings play a vital role in the functionality of faucets. Understanding their purpose and maintaining them can prevent leaks and ensure smooth operation. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know below. Ensuring a steady stream, valves are critical in regulating water flow. They control the opening and closing of the water path, ensuring a consistent and steady stream from your faucet. They adjust the amount of water released, maintaining desired pressure and temperature. Cartridges are integral to mixing hot and cold water. In single-handle faucets, they allow for precise control over water temperature and flow. By turning the handle, you adjust the cartridge, ensuring a smooth water stream. Aerators are small mesh screens at the faucet's end. They mix air with water, softening the flow and preventing splashing. This ensures a steady stream while conserving water by reducing flow without sacrificing pressure. Washers and O-rings are essential for preventing leaks. They create a seal within the faucet, ensuring water flows only when intended. Proper maintenance of these components is crucial to avoid drips and maintain a steady stream. Balancing hot and cold water is key to a steady stream. Cartridges, especially in single-handle models, allow for seamless temperature adjustment, ensuring comfort and efficiency in water use. Consistent water pressure is vital for a steady stream. Valves and cartridges work together to regulate pressure, ensuring water flows smoothly and consistently from your faucet. Regular checks can help maintain this balance. Common issues like drips or irregular flow can disrupt a steady stream. Regular maintenance of components like washers, O-rings, and aerators can prevent these problems, ensuring your faucet functions smoothly. Here are some DIY tips to ensure a steady stream. Regularly clean the aerator to prevent clogs. Check and replace worn washers and O-rings. Ensure the cartridge is properly seated. Adjust the valve for consistent pressure. And maintenance tips. Faucets are intricate devices that blend hot and cold water using valves and cartridges. Understanding their mechanisms helps in effective maintenance. Valves, washers, and O-rings play crucial roles in ensuring smooth operation. Regular maintenance extends the life of your faucet. It prevents leaks, ensures smooth operation, and maintains water efficiency. Simple tasks like cleaning and inspecting can make a big difference. To check for leaks, look under the sink and around the faucet base. Early detection of leaks can save water and prevent damage. Tighten connections if needed, or replace faulty parts. Cleaning the aerator ensures a steady water flow. Remove the aerator from the faucet. Soak it in vinegar to dissolve mineral deposits. Rinse thoroughly before reattaching. Replacing washers and O-rings prevents drips. Turn off the water supply. Disassemble the faucet to access the washers. Replace worn washers and O-rings. Reassemble the faucet and test. Cartridge maintenance is crucial for single-handle faucets. Remove the handle, then the cartridge. Clean or replace it if worn. Reassemble and test for smooth operation. Prevent mineral buildup by regularly cleaning your faucet with a mixture of vinegar and water. This simple solution helps in maintaining water flow and extends the life of components. Maintaining your faucet ensures longevity and efficiency. Regular checks and cleaning can prevent costly repairs. If you're finding this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more home maintenance tips.